Right, it's time to try 65. 65. Wow. Let's see how many I can do. I think I might get copyrighted this stupid song. Might get copyrighted on this stupid song. When you blow up. No, it's an AI detects it. Oh.
Sorry. Sorry. 真的是来位啊，5次啊。
Oh, holy shit. Yeah, then this bar feels way better than the other bars. Yeah, insane, mate. Good job. Alright, second set of 65. I'm gonna chant another lightweight, alright. Let's see how many can do now. Just the previous set I did 4. Let's see. Alright, support.
You like it?
Comment, share.
Leave a comment down. See how many reps I can do.
One comment, one rep. Alright, last set for bench press for the day. Alright, last set, 360. Yeah, spot would be great, mate. Comment in the section. Right, spot taker. Wow, the chest almost popped. My back almost died. Jesus Christ, I had to cheat for the last one.
Yeah. So like,
Yeah, my butt flew to the sky.
it's fine, man.
Yeah, almost like a mini hip thrust while bench pressing.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
Pretty cool day. Very cool.
Alright, spotter Jin, handsome. Alright.